Hi there, welcome to today's episode of Data Bytes. Today we're going to be talking about the new support for dimensional metrics in service levels. Specifically, we'll be going through how to add service level indicators and some of the ways that you can aggregate different event types and metrics to create more robust service levels that kind of cross everything in your product. If you don't have service levels on the sidebar here in the UI, you basically just need to go to all capabilities and add it and pin it to this sidebar for you to look at. This is the service levels homepage. This is where you can look at all of the different workloads and entities that you have service levels set on, and you can look at the compliance scores over the last 2 hours, 24 hours, 7 days, 28 days. If you've worked with service levels in the past, you kind of get familiarity with this pretty quickly. You can filter this view by an operational view or a period over period view, and you can group these service levels by all of these different event types, account IDs, etc. So today we're going to be talking about dimensional metrics in the Add Service Level Indicator button, which is up here in the right corner. So you'll click this, and this is where you'll go through and you'll just choose the entity or workload that you want to set your service level indicator on. Today we're going to just choose this error tracking one for an example. You'll just click continue, and then this is where we've added this functionality for the support for dimensional metrics. You can query for all your valid events. You can query for either good or bad responses here. This is not new. You can query from all of these different metrics and signals in New Relic, so you can really do it however you want to set it up. So today we'll just choose one. Let's choose this Docker info one. And so this is where we've added, before you could select count as valid, we've added sum. So now you can actually aggregate some of your metrics and create a more specific service level the way that your team needs to set it up. And then so once you have that set up, you can also set up alerts on these service levels. You can look at all of this information in the detail page. You can look at the SLI attainment, the SLO target, the error budget. You can set alerts up here in this top right corner. You can click more in this analyze button and get more out of your service levels and take action quicker, making sure you maintain uptime and reduce downtime as much as possible. Anyways, that's it for today's Data Bytes episode. I appreciate you taking a second to check out New Relic service levels. Have a great rest of your day.